So, I'm back here visiting Iris. Look at her. Everybody remember Iris? Look at those. She is ready to just bloom out. She's going to be so beautiful. If nobody ever seen my other video, I showed you Iris. We planted her here, over here by the river, Payette River. Beautiful. We're going to bring our boat here, let it out, go do a little camping, a little fishing. Hey, if you guys like my videos, short videos, like and subscribe. Please subscribe so I can go live and show you guys what stuff we got coming up. Okay, peace out. Love ya. Have a good day. Where's our binoculars?